It's Alphabel. And this is Zygmunt. Zygmunt. Zygmunt the elf. And this is
He's
Santa.
the intern.
Yummy. Oh, cookies at Santa, really.
I do love those.
What's that?
What goes on in here, Mr. Harney?
We do loose tea.
Santa, look at the robot.
Oh, robots, yeah. We need a few robots, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of robots.
Caffeinated black tea with vanilla flavors. We call it Tomorrow in honor of the where many teas come from.
Wow, that sounds like a great thing to have on Christmas Eve once you're all set for the night.
That's it. That's it. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this.
Oh!
That's dangerous.
Just perfect.
So, Mr. Harney, is there any ginger tea?
Not today, but we do bake it. Uh-oh, what is that?
Like gingerbread, right?
We have gingerbread tea. We can try to find some of that for you.
Now this is nice. It spins around, right?
Can I take one? Yeah.
We can look at it, certainly.
Just do this, pick one up, though.
I did. Oh, you're gonna put it down? Okay, sorry.
Robot. Is that ginger?
No.
It's like cookies. It tastes like cookies.
It tastes like cookies?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I do
All right.
love me a cookie.
Who's got the cookie?
Do you think elves are old, like 100 and something, but they don't look and sound old?
Yes.
Well, Santa, what do you think so far?
It's quite an impressive operation you have here, wouldn't you agree?
Yes. But also,
Yes, Alphabel.
I've never went that high in my whole life, and I'm 103 years old.
Wow, you're 103.
This has a lot of smell. Look at that.
Oh, that's nice.
I think I like it. Wow. Just wow. What's dog? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Denver, Colorado. You ever heard of Denver, Colorado? Hey, come here. So can you help me with this one? Grab it. We're doing this right?
Iced tea, that is a great call.
Well, you're from up north, so you like ice, right? Some stuff going to Australia. Are you going to make it to Australia tonight?
Oh, I want to try.
Wow.
I can see a robot. It's an animal robot. You see the animal robot? That robot